pretty freaking big. Oh, look at that mussel. Some lemon. Hey y'all, you already know that I girl's back again with another video, and today y'all we're at Juicy Crabs. Let me show you. Alright y'all, so as a little appetizer, we got some mozzarella sticks. Not good at all. Alright y'all, first things first, a freaking potato. A mussel, some lemon. Y'all, I have been craving crawfish. Nope. Y'all, look at this.
I figured it out.
And then
suck that much.
Oh, I love rice with my seafood boil. This isn't really the rice I normally get, but all right. I also don't eat sausage normally in my seafood boil, but we're about to put it right there. Put it in the sauce. It's pretty good.
Oh, yeah. Let me pick it.
Y'all.
Crawfish. You can't eat this?
Ooh.